Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Govee smart plug in 2026 using the Govee Home application. Now, before you even begin, make sure that you have the Govee Home application installed on your device. Also, you need to make sure that the network that you are on is on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and not on the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. After doing so, you just have to simply plug your Govee Smart plug into the working wall outlet. Then in order to start the pairing process, you need to simply press and hold this particular power button for several seconds until the LED begins blinking. Now, once this step is done, you just have to simply open your Govee application on your phone. Now, when you open the application for the very first time, you are going to see a plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to simply press the plus icon. Afterwards, you just have to simply take a look at the list of the plugs. So you need to select your smart plug from the list. Afterwards, you need to simply follow further on-screen instructions in which you need to select your network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Then the application will begin connecting the plug into the network. Just keep your phone close to the both smart plug and your router during that particular process for best results. Now, once the connection is established, you are going to see that your smart plug is now inside the application. Plus, it will also show you that it is now connected. So now you can set the timer. You can just simply provide the auto on and the auto off feature over here. And this way, basically, you will be able to easily set up your Govee smart plug inside your Govee home application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.